Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in ASP.NET how to fix the keyword metadata not supported. Keyword not supported metadata. After fix the connection string in the web.config file, and this is the output we got. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice in this browser I got an error, keyword not supported metadata. The reason of this problem, when we are trying to bind the records using ADO.NET Entity Data Model connection string from the web.config file. Let's check in the web.config file the connection string data source. Notice here in this web.config file the connection string. In the connection string, see the metadata here. So we need to delete this part up to here. From data source to integrated security. After that, the rest of the thing parameters we have to delete. So this is a proper way to add the connection string in the web.config file. Let's run this application again, webform1.aspx page, Google Chrome. And here we got the output after modifying the connection string in the web.config file. Before we got an error, keyword not supported metadata. After fix the connection string in the web.config file, and this is the output we got. That's it. Thank you.